If you've been looking for an eye cream that actually does it all, firming, hydrating, brightening, and depuffing, the Sun and Moon Eye Synergy Cream is about to be your new go-to. Hi, I'm Samantha Garcia, a licensed esthetician based in Pembroke Pines, Florida, and I use the Sun and Moon Eye Synergy Cream in every facial when the eye needs a little love. And my clients always notice the difference. It's one of those products that feels like a little miracle in a bottle. This isn't just hydration for under the eyes, it's advanced synergy. The formula targets fine lines, dark circles, puffiness, and sagging all at once. It uses acetohexapeptide 1 and arginine HCl to visibly firm and tighten delicate under eye skin. A 4-part hyaluronic acid complex that increases hydration by over 150% in just 1 hour. And copper peptides that in clinical studies improve skin clarity and firmness and reduce coarse wrinkles after just 12 weeks. It's like the perfect balance of hydration and results, gentle enough for daily use, powerful enough for professional outcomes. It's also loaded with antioxidant-rich ingredients like a tri-fruit blend of peach, apple, and raspberry to fight free radicals and promote collagen. And a vitamin C polyphenol complex clinically shown to improve brightness by up to 30% in just 1 month. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest on your face, and this formula respects that while delivering visible radiance and repair. For estheticians, I use this cream at the end of every facial to seal in hydration and give the eyes a lifted, refreshed look. It pairs beautifully with cold globes, gua sha, or lymphatic drainage massage around the orbital area. For clients at home, use 1 to 2 pumps and gently tap it around the orbital bone, upper and lower lids, morning and night. Always tap from the inner corner outward to avoid product buildup near the tear ducts. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and plays well under concealer or SPF. If you want brighter, firmer, more radiant eyes, Sun and Moon Eye Synergy Cream is it. This little bottle packs a powerful glow and your eyes will show it.